the dietitian here at the Worcester County Health Department, and today we're going to cook a meal in honor of Diabetes Awareness Month, which is designated in the month of November. This year the theme for Diabetes Awareness Month is Take Diabetes to Heart, because we're really looking at the interaction between diabetes and heart disease. We know that when our blood sugars are out of control, it does affect the integrity and the condition and the health of our heart and our coronary arteries, leading to more heart disease. So we want to cook a meal for you that you can cook at home for anybody, and it's going to be a very balanced meal. We're going to cook some nice salmon, we're going to steam some string beans, and we're going to make some delicious, easy brown rice. Salmon is one of the most healthiest fish you can eat, and along with the theme of Take Diabetes to Heart, salmon is high in omega-3 fatty acids. Those are the good fatty acids that help reduce the incidence of heart disease. High in protein, easy to cook. Part of that balanced meal is to have a great vegetable, and a lot of people are hesitant about vegetables because they take too long. But luckily we have these nice assorted vegetables in the grocery store, not too expensive, and all you have to do is put this in your microwave from anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes, and out comes piping hot vegetables with nothing added to them. You couldn't ask for a healthier, easier addition to your meal. And the third part of our meal is a whole grain. I know a lot of people don't like brown rice, but it's good to start integrating it into your meal plan. It does have a lot of fiber in it. It helps get your blood sugar lower than eating white rice, and this is an easy way to fix it. These are boil-in-the-bag rice packets. All you do is take one of these bags and drop it into boiling water for 2 or 3 minutes, fluff it in a bowl, and you've got a healthy whole grain option to go with your salmon and fresh string beans. It's time to plate up this delicious meal, and we're going to take the salmon on each plate, and you can also scoop up a little bit of this lemon garlic sauce and put it right on the top of it, which will make another nice flavor. Our brown rice is all done, and remember, for diabetes you want to make sure you're putting in the right portions, so don't forget to use those measuring cups if you're not sure, so that you balance the meal according to your meal plan. We're going to put a little bit of rice on this plate. It's already looking so good. And the grand finale will be those nice string beans. And remember, if there's anything you're going to eat extra of, make it those vegetables. They have the least effect on your blood sugar. And just to give it a little bit of color, let's garnish it with some fruit. And it even resembles the My Plate. And there you have it, pan-seared salmon, fresh string beans that were easily microwaved, and healthy brown rice. Enjoy it on National Diabetes Month and anytime.